In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the integration, how to review the setup guidance, and how to start the connection so your app can use Stripe with helpful, personalized prompts. Start by opening the Base44 app in your browser. Once you're in, look along the top navigation bar and select Integrations. This takes you to the Integrations catalog, which is the central place to add and manage connections for your workspace. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. There's a built-in search to speed things up. In the search field, type Stripe. This filters the catalog and brings the Stripe tile to the top so you can focus on just that one option. Clicking into the Stripe entry gives you a quick snapshot of what the integration enables and where it fits in your build. Before you connect anything, open the How to Use section on the Stripe tile. This page is designed to set expectations and answer common questions right away. Take a moment to read through what the integration covers, any notes about required features, and how it plugs into your app's workflows. Spending a minute here can save you from backtracking later. When you're ready, choose Get Started. This begins the guided setup for Stripe within Base44. You'll see on-screen prompts that walk you through the process at a comfortable pace. Think of this as the kickoff. You're not making irreversible changes yet, you're preparing Base44 to link with Stripe in a structured way. Next, head to your app's Integrations tab. Each app in Base44 has its own integrations area, and this is where the Stripe connection actually comes together for that specific app. Open the app you want to enable, go to Integrations, and you'll see Stripe surfaced with context-aware prompts. These prompts tailor the experience to your app, helping you finalize the connection with clarity so everything aligns with how your app handles payments or related data. One important note before you proceed further. This integration requires backend functions, a feature available on the Builder plan and above. If your current plan doesn't include backend functions, you'll need to review the plans page and choose a tier that supports this capability. Verifying that now helps you avoid interruptions during setup. And that's the workflow. You found the Stripe integration, reviewed how it works, started the guided setup, and navigated to your app's Integrations tab to complete the connection with personalized prompts. Follow the on-screen guidance from here, and you'll be ready to leverage Stripe within your Base44 app.